Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's dive into it. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 1 times x squared plus 2x minus 8, which of the following describes the zeros of p? To solve this kind of questions, we're going to find the roots of the polynomial. So to do that, we will use the factors. What we're going to do with the factors is we're going to make them equal 0 and we will solve for x. So this is the first factor and this is the second factor given for this polynomial. Let's make them each equal 0 and solve for x. So x minus 1 equals 0. When you add 1 to both sides, x equals 1. So we found one of the zeros. And the second one, x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. There is an easy way to factor this out. This is, excuse me. Oops, what did I do? Let me take this back. Sorry about that kind of technical difficulty we had it. I was just going to change the color of the pen. X and x, and what numbers when you multiply that gives you 8, which is 4 and 2, but when you add them you're supposed to get positive 2, and when you multiply you're supposed to get negative 8, so one of them has to be negative. So this one will be negative, this one will be positive, because when I add them I must get 2. So if you will write the factors side by side, equals 0, so we'll solve it each one by making it equal to 0. We'll just take away 4 from both sides. So x equals negative 4 on this one. And this one will add 2 to both sides. X will becomes 2. So we have found that the roots are negative 4, if we will write them in order, 1 and 2. So this polynomial has exactly 3 distinct real zeros. Because of that, the correct answer of the problem is choice B. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. I wish you good luck with your studies.